Lake, where the whispers lie, under Wicklow's starry sky. The merry church, it stands so proud, ringing hope with a voice so loud. Lanterns glow as the streets unwind, the Pistachio Shop, a sweet delight to find. Murphy's pub hums an old refrain, laughter flows like gentle rain. Oh, Blessington Nights, where the magic shines, through the hills and the pines, your heart aligns. A Celtic soul, a fire burns bright, Blessington dreams on a winter's night. Reflects the moon's embrace, a quiet haven, a sacred space. Footsteps echo on cobbled stone, every path feels like home. The Pistachio Shop brews coffee warm, its windows glow in the winter's storm. Murphy's pub, where the stories thrive, keeps the town's old spirit alive. Oh, Blessington Nights, where the magic shines, through the hills and the pines, your heart aligns. A Celtic soul, a fire burns bright, Blessington dreams on a winter's night. Pistachio Shop brews coffee warm, its windows glow in the winter's storm. Murphy's pub, where the stories thrive, keeps the town's old spirit alive. Oh, Blessington Nights, where the manners stay, where the heart finds peace and the soul can play. From Murphy's laugh to the coffee's glow, Blessington, my love, you'll always know. Fiddle cries as the bell run beats, songs rise high through the glowing streets. Blessington sings a timeless tune, under the spell of the winter moon. Blessington, my love, you'll always know.